All right, mate. Here, let's look at ARPA. Um, I like it. Yep. Nice increase in volume here. I like the fact that we're still holding above this red 200 moving average on a 3-day chart. The overall structure is kind of implying it's in an uptrend, and that this looks like it wants to probably roll up to new all-time highs. That's the general vibe that it gives me anyway, at least. I like the way we're above all these moving averages here and trying to push higher. If we look at the weekly, I mean, the weekly is negating that large bearish drop, and we're forming a bullish candle right back up here, kind of implying that, again, it wants to go higher. The last time we did this, as you can see, when we started negating and forming a bullish engulfing candle to negate the big red candle, well, the last time we did that was here, and you can see we formed this order block just like we're forming it now, and then the next week we enabled to break out to the upside. So if this continues to finish pretty strong, next week we definitely could see some action kind of like that when we push up out of this pattern. It's up 1% today, 1.4% today. I would probably say it's better to trade on a new week. Tough to say, sometimes it could break out, but if it hasn't broke out by a new week, then I think it's probably a good buy, especially if we flip green on the week, have a small dip, then bounce up, flip green, and then this could actually break out to the upside and retest the all-time highs.